Welcome to a delectable journey through Dubai's culinary landscape, where the delicate balance of tradition and innovation converge to create an extraordinary experience. Join us as we explore the city's top destinations for Kunafa, a dessert that transcends taste to become an embodiment of culture and togetherness. 1. Mr. Kunafa. Starting price 15 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Unveil the artistry of Kunafa at Mr. Kunafa, where every bite is a masterpiece. As Kunafa's golden layers delicately intertwine, you'll be transported to a world of flavors that resonate with tradition and innovation, harmonizing in a symphony of taste that captures the heart of Dubai's culinary evolution. 2. Farah's Hanoun Sweets. Starting price 18 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Enter Farah's Hanoun Sweets, a realm of sweetness where Kunafa takes on new dimensions. Delve into the enchanting world of flavors, where Kunafa is a canvas of creativity. 3. Atayab. Starting price 15 United Arab Emirates dirhams. At Atayab, Kunafa is elevated to an exquisite expression of Middle Eastern indulgence. As you take that first delectable bite, layers of flavor unfold, resonating with the authenticity of the region. Each forkful is a tribute to tradition, a melange of textures and aromas that celebrate Dubai's culinary diversity. 4. Bosporus Turkish Cuisine. Starting price 30 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Embark on a culinary odyssey at Bosporus Turkish Cuisine, where the rich heritage of Turkish Kunafa converges with modern gastronomic finesse. The result is a delectable fusion of past and present, encapsulated within each mouthful. The flavors of Bosporus Kunafa beckon you to savor the harmony between ancient traditions and contemporary innovation. 5. Al Sultan Sweets and Oriental Restaurant. Starting price 27 United Arab Emirates dirhams. Al Sultan Sweets and Oriental Restaurant offers a regal journey into the heart of Kunafa perfection. This restaurant seamlessly blends traditional Indian cuisine with contemporary presentations. Each bite tells a story of Arabian hospitality and culinary prowess. The opulent flavors and textures reflect the devotion poured into its creation, a testament to the intricacies that make Kunafa an integral part of Dubai's gastronomic tapestry. Let your taste buds traverse Dubai's diverse Kunafa offerings, a testament to the city's commitment to culinary excellence. Experience the symphony of flavors and the harmony of traditions that make Dubai a global gastronomic destination. Taste Dubai's Kunafa delights, a fusion of flavors and traditions.